Alright, y'all. I am here with another video of a carpet cleaner. This time it's my blue Hoover Steamvac Spin Scrub 50. And, real quick, I'm just trying to I'm going to make sure as well that I'm pronouncing the name right. Or Havin or Javin. 1 Havin, 2 Javin. Comment down below which is the right way. I will try and find something to put down for your request. I just gotta find something that's not gonna be a waste of a liquid. But yeah, we're here doing an update. I cleaned this thing up a little bit, as we can probably see. I cleaned all the hair out of it and everything, so it should perform a little bit better. I also cleaned the little screen off down there, so that's also a thing. I'm sorry it's not wanting to enhance. Okay, there we go. So yeah, I got the solution tank here full of warm water. There is a little bit of soap in there from where it was used previously. So anyway, here we go. We're going to go ahead and clean this area because it didn't seem like that was picking up very much. So there's probably some soap deposits down there from the dual Power Max. Here we go. Yeah, we can see there's still some liquid down there. Oh. The normal thing because we're just rinsing. quite a bit, but we're gonna see how much of that stain comes out. Oh, quite a bit of it. And there it is. Let's go ahead and remove the solution tank. We'll go ahead and see what the water is like, because we already know what this pulled out, and we can kind of see it's pretty brown. Yeah. Yeah, not too much of a difference, but definitely pretty gross. Yeah, these things, they pick up pretty well. They're definitely one of the better carpet cleaners. I'm not saying they're the absolute best, but they do a pretty good job. I'm glad I grabbed this one because, like I said, these are good units. I know a lot of people don't like them because they're kind of loud, but they're definitely not the loudest. But yeah, there's the Hoover Steamvac spinscrub 50. Kind of cleaning up after the dual power max. I definitely like the dual power max for, it kind of does deep clean, but as you can see, this one got out extra dirty water, so I mean, this carpet has been put through who knows how much filth. So, yeah, it's probably some leftover from where my nephew was in here. He never wanted me to clean the carpet. The most he would want me to do is vacuum. He didn't want me to actually carpet clean in here. So, yeah. Anyway, that's it. Tell me how you liked it. Tell me what you want to see. I'll see what I can do, how I can do it, when I can do it, and if I can do it. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more content. And remember, let me know which one is your right name, which one is the right pronunciation of your name. Haven or Javin. Haven 1, Javin 2. Just comment the number down below. I'll try to get to your request. I just got to find a way to do it. So until then, until next time, bye y'all.